Hi! Welcome to the first chapter of BeCosmoss. Today we have Valentina Klass, a specialist on environmental studies, and she's going to tell us what is the real deal with global warming.
My name is Valentina. I'm really keen on environmental issues, and I came to Iceland to study the subjects because I'm not indifferent to what's going on in the world, and I feel like I want to be part of the global change. So, what is global warming? It's the impact of the human activity where in the strive for more food, for more natural resources, for more energy, the impact of us consuming more and trying to get more from what we have is resulting into the average temperature rise across the whole globe. And we're reaching the point where we cannot sustain within a normal level of temperature. If we continue going at the pace where we're going today, we're just going to burn on this land. When you think about what is causing global warming, you first think about politicians or the big industries. And yes, you will be right, but then who are the consumers of the products that they're producing? It's actually us. We are the ones who are powering our phones and charging laptops. We are the ones taking trips across cultures to enjoy ourselves. We are the ones buying meat, and we never realize how much impact we are having on this world. And you should be just aware of the fact that we are taking from Earth more than we are giving back to it. We're not having enough consciousness in our actions and how much we're contributing to the global warming. My general tip for all of you would be just to be mindful about your everyday consumption. Think about the fact that there is about 200 species that are dying everywhere. Look at the heat waves that has been happening around the world. Look at the droughts, and people are not being able to sustain the harvests. Think about the fact that the fish stocks are migrating. The ocean acidification is rising, and we are not able to see the same marine life anymore. And we are just losing a vast amount of our natural habitat, and we're not able to sustain the natural cycles of the earth. The nature is not going to be able to sustain our air quality, our food supply, just our basic needs. The consequences of global warming are visible in the context of Iceland, just in its national symbols. Look at glaciers, for example. They're melting, they're disappearing with time, and they supply the whole country with fresh water, and it's actually the source of one of the purest drinking water on the whole planet. Air pollution is also quite a big issue in Iceland.
Air pollution.
If I were to send you just one final message, I just want to say that happiness doesn't lie within consuming more and trying to get it all. It just lies within loving and appreciating what you already have.
Stay conscious and be Cosmos.